It's really a privilege to be here talking to you on this issue of for the launch of National Handicapping Service. Of course, in due course of time, there will be a small little presentation in which Rishi will take you through the entire scheme of things as to what is NHS and how it is going to be launched. Very briefly, we found that while golf is progressing very well with our golfers, there was a problem that the number of golfers was increasing much more rapidly than the number of golf courses that were coming in. And the golf courses had a problem that they had a capacity which they could not exceed. So there was a problem for the golfers that where do they go and play and how do they go and play. So, they could go and play as a pay and play members, but for that they needed a handicap card. Unless they had a handicap card, the clubs were not permitting them to play. Even if they had a IJU membership card, they could pay, but unless they had a handicap card, the clubs, and rightly so, they were not permitting them to play. So the system of the National Handicapping Service, which is prevalent all over the world, it's like a global or a national handicap card which is acceptable at every golf club, and that gives you access to play, and no club can refuse you that you don't have a valid handicap card. Now how do we make this card? What is the criteria? There are a lot of things involved in it, the kind of course you play, the kind of round you play. That, of course, Mr. Rishi Naran will, when he is talking about it, will tell you briefly. But I think it's going to benefit a very large number of our golfing fraternity who are not members of any golf club, who don't have a handicap card. And these are those casual players who want to just go and play on weekends, who are not members, and are being denied the privilege or the fun of playing golf because they don't have a card. So I think it's an initiative that we are launching, and I'm sure it will benefit a very large number of our golfers. And I do hope that Mr. Rishi Naran, who is doing this on our behalf, gets the support of the golfers and the golf clubs, and it will be a good initiative. Thank you.
We go into a little more detail about what this program really is entailing. I'd request General Sabharwal to perhaps share a little bit about the actual concept of handicapping. It's a unique aspect of this game of golf.